Hello crafty friends and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unveiling from a Secret Sister swap that I did. So here's the package. I have not opened it yet. I received it today before I went to work, so I just kind of tossed it in the house. Just got home from work and decided that I'm going to open it on camera with you guys so you can enjoy the experience with me. Alright, let's see what we got here. You guys, it's so full! Look at this! Oh! So many wonderful things inside of this box! Yay! Alright, let's take it out. Oh, I'm so excited, guys! I'm so excited! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! There's gonna be a lot of oh my goodnesses in this video. Okay, let's push all of this off to the side and let's see what we have. All right, so first off, we have these really cute little fabric flower pieces. Oh, love, love, love. They can get put on the front of a card, on a different box. Maybe I can tear them up a little bit. Many ideas, many ideas. Oh, so cute. Let's see what's in here. Oh, she sent me stamps. How cute and sweet of her. Oh, like stuck. All right. So what do we got in here? We have a little heart that says love. So cute. Some clear ones. You're invited. I don't know how well you can see that. This one says congratulations. Very nice. This one says congrats. It's a pink stamp. Have a great day. XOXOXOXOXO. And heaven sent. Very nice. Thank you. Those are so cute. We'll get much use out of those. Alright, and then here we have, oh, look at this adorable little butterfly button. Oh, how cute. This little embellishment. Oh, I love the little, oops. I love this little butterfly button in the middle. So cute. So many good ideas for embellishments from my swaps, I tell you. Oh, I love this embossed paper. And the paper itself just feels so soft. I wonder what kind of paper this is. I like this. Oh, I like this. Very cute. It's got birds sitting on the, like, the telephone wires with the nice wildflower underneath. Very cute embossed picture. Nice 3D stickers. Cute little dragonflies. Little notes. How adorable. Oh, our theme was Christmas in July, so I like the Christmas decals she sent here. Oh, things are falling apart, but that's okay. Oh, all kinds of just random goodies, I think. Oh, okay. I got a little, like, wedding cake, birthday cake cutouts. Oh, I like this little clip. It's got the little alligator clip on the back. It's a butterfly. Oh, I love this. This is so cute. That's going to go on the front of somebody else's Happy Meal. A little present cut out. Oh. 2 tags. I love this picture she chose. I love, oh, just so cute. Oh, very thick. I like these tags. Very nice. Oh, she's so good. Oh, these are so cute with the little Canadian postage on them. Oh, how adorable. It says parcel postage, February 15th, 1943. That is so cute. And she sent 2 of those. Oh, how adorable. Some, oh, envelopes. How cute. Oh. She did such a good job, you guys. This is my very first time receiving a Secret Sister swap, and I am so excited over everything that is in it. Oh, look at this card. Oh, she's even got the little wax. Oh, Harmony. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh. Okay, what else? She embossed so many different pieces of paper. I love this. This pink is beautiful. And it's got embossed like it's a postcard going around the edge with a airmail stamp. Par avion. I like that. French Canadian. Brilliant. Oh my God. She took this beautiful, beautiful wood grain embossing folder and did it on this piece of paper and made it look exactly like the trunk of a tree. Oh my goodness. Look at this. How freaking creative. I love it. Tammy, you did, you made my day. Oh, here's another one. This is a very cute embossing folder. It's got skeletons woven into all of the design going on here around the outside. Very cute. Another tag. This one's got a key on it. It says, God never shuts one door without opening another. Very, very true. Oh, little gift card holders. I like this. Oh, how adorable. The stamp, she stitched the outside. I really need to start using my sewing machine more often. I have this great sewing machine that actually happens to be sitting right here next to me that I never use, at least not in my paper crafts. I use it, to stitch clothes, what it's used for, but I never use it in my paper crafts. I should start doing that. All right, next we have, a little pad of tags that have some have fallen out, but this is cute. I like. Always use good tags. Oh, she color washed some papers. We were talking and she knows I just started doing a junk journal, so this is very exciting that she sent me all of these different little scraps and things that can go inside of my junk journal. Oh, I love this. More scraps. Oh, look at the colors she did. I'm going to have to contact her and figure out if she just did this with watercolors or maybe if she used ink dropper bottles onto the paper. But this is fantastic. I love it so much. And then 2 more that are the pink, purple, blue kind of ombre effect. Oh, those are great. Nice napkin. It's got an olive tree on it. Oh, that'll be great. Great decoupage. Oh, I like this. Okay, so it's got the olive tree, and then it's got the bottles of the olive oil and the balsamic vinegar. Oh, I love that. Super cute. Probably fold it right so it closes. All right. What else do we have? I like this. An old school flashcard. Oh, that'll get used in something. Scraps of vinyl. Yep, vinyl scraps. Ooh, it's a glitter. Oh no, I think it's just got glitter on it. Ah! So many great ideas. I was so not sure, you guys. Like, I really wish that I had recorded my box. My next box I'm going to have to make sure that I put on video because there's just so many great things that she put in here that I did not even think of. I mean, scrap vinyl, that could be used for so many different things. Oh my god, why did I not think about that? So cute. Great idea, Tammy. Oh, another envelope. Oh, it's an envelope flip book. Oh, how cute. And now I can decorate it. Oh my god. She's the best. Look at this. I love that she did the wood grain on the envelope flip book. This is fantastic. How cute. Oh, that looks so good. It's like a mini art journal that she made. That is awesome. Oh, so many pretty papers. Look at this. Oh, that one's nice and thick. Oh, different thicknesses, different types. She's even got like a little bit of stamps going on. Oh my god. Oh, you guys, I have so many great ideas for my next Secret Sister swap. This is so fantastic. I love it, love it, love it. Oh my god, next time I definitely need to record my box because my box was nowhere near as nice as this. Well, I can't say it was nowhere near as nice as this. I did a lot of stuff. I put a lot of stencils, stamps, different types of paper. I did a lot of vintage sheets that I cut up. I made an embellishment box that put all kinds of little vintage knickknacks and things in it, but everything I did was kind of like brand new or store-bought, you know, little knickknacks that I picked up here and there. I didn't think about all the embossing of papers like this, sticking paper together, making this adorable, adorable little like junk journal. I mean, I am so happy I started doing swaps. I am just learning so many things. This video, I am so sorry guys, is probably going to be so long because, I mean, you're discovering all of the contents of this box with me. So, I'm thoroughly enjoying each piece. This cute little, okay, and it's a sticker. It's got sticky on the back. It's a little foam butterfly with sparkles. Oh, she did 2 more little junk journals. You guys, look at them. She's so freaking good. Oh, it's got the canvas front. Oh, whoa. Oh my goodness. I got the best Secret Sister ever. I mean, this is too cute. I was just looking into antiquing my own paper, and I think that she did a fantastic job. Not only did she antique it with the coffee, she did the edges here. You can see are a little darkened. Oh man, I mean, just look at the detail, you guys. She did a nice stitch going down the center. It's just, so many different cute papers, very just old school. Oh, I am so excited over these mini art journal books. I'm gonna have so much fun decorating these. Oh, I mean, again, I am getting a million ideas upon what I will be doing in my future crafts. This is so exciting. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I do not know if I'm going to be able to say thank you enough times throughout this video. Some little charms. Oh, right. Oh, just a little piece of strings. A little dragonfly. Just little buttons. Very cute. Got a little cowboy hat. Oh. Queen's crown. Some more jewels. Oh, I love this little purse charm. Quite heavy. Very nice. More dragonfly. I mean, so many great ideas that I just did not think about. See, this is what happens when you're new to the crafty community, such as I am. You get all of these great ideas after the fact because you're getting things from other people. But that just means that my future swaps and my future things will be great. And for those of you that are watching my videos that are new to crafting swaps like I am, you'll be able to get an idea of what it is that you can put in swaps for yourself. So, hey, it's a win-win situation. Another little sparkly foam. This time it's a dragonfly. Very cute. Oh, so cute. Little card with a reindeer and bunny. Oh, I love the sparkle going on the card. Very cute. Again, falls very in line with the Christmas in July. May the wonders of winter warm your heart. And in French, which I do not know very well, Caelus Merveilles, Arnales Vus. Yeah, I'm going to butcher the heck out of that. Very cute. I like that. Very nice. Oh, how cute. Big bird. I love. Ooh, Renoir. Look at that. Very nice. Oh, I wish I could paint people. I'm just so not good at people. Very nice. Oh, wow. This is old. Sorry about that. I have 3 dogs and sometimes they just don't know how to be quiet. But I really like this card. Bottom Lich Gate, St. Justin Roseland. Very cute. Oh, I like this. It just says and. Oh, I could decorate it to be whatever. That could be like a cute wedding card. Very nice. Oh, more napkins. Oh, this is too cute. I like these hearts. Oh, and this is a very thick napkin. Oops. There we go. very nice. She gave me a couple of those. 3 of those. Oh, some with owls on them. Oh, I like this owl. I love the orange of those eyes. Very bright. Oh, look at these owls. So cute. So many cute napkins. I see the napkins at Tuesday morning all the time. I never buy any. I need to start buying some. Oh, I like this. Very, very Halloween-y. Green polka dots. Again, super cute. Oh, I love it. I told her I love frogs. I collect them. This is so cute. This might just have to go in a frame. Oh, I love this. This is adorable. Super duper cute. Thank you. Oh, a nice little journal. Ooh, I like the paper on the inside. That's different. Oh, another little butterfly embellishment. This is so cute. Do you cut these out yourself or do you have a die? I like this. Oh, that would be where that other little string came from. Okay, that makes sense. Very cute. Oh, some lace. Oh, gave me so many adorable things. Oh, look at this doily. Oh, that is very pretty. Oh, that's cute. Did you stamp these yourself? These are adorable. Oh, butterfly. Hotel, June 5th. Another butterfly. This is so cute. It's like the Mystery Machine. Oh, I love these. You've opened my mind to a million new things that I never thought of before. Oh, I'm loving this. Oh, I like this. Double layered lace. Very cute. Oh. Some little wooden things. I got here. Little paper rosette. That is cute. She's got a 3D sticker on the side with a little red button in the middle. I like how she did this. Look, it's like the paper is just folded. She's got 6 different papers going on. This I am definitely going to have to copy. I love that. Bird cage, a tag, oh, a little mini paper clip or clothespin, dragonfly, a mandala, another little mini clothespin. Oh, look at that pineapple. So cute. Oh, and a wooden button. I love that. Thank you. Oh. All right, and last but not least, we have a little package over here. Oh, super cute pair of socks. Oh, that will keep my feet so warm come winter. Because in the Seattle area, we only have summer for about 2 months. So winter is just right around the corner. Thank you so much, Tammy. Everything you got me was so incredible. You gave me so many great ideas for future crafts, for future swaps. I cannot wait to begin using all of this stuff, and who knows, maybe you will receive some of it back in some of our future swaps we have going on. So until next time, thank you guys so much for checking out my video. Please leave a comment below, like, subscribe, share it, tell your friends about it, and have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.